Sometimes we spend a whole day or days updating our products, but imagine that a few days later, you realize that the SKUs were not updated correctly, that featured images are missing, or that the prices you entered were not correct. Then you want to find all the products based on the last date you modified them. To accomplish this, you can go through your entire WooCommerce store to see when each product was last edited, and this will take you a few hours or even days. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll show you how to apply a search filter that will find all products by their modification date in seconds. For this, we'll use the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can also export and import products using a CSV file. You can download the plugin from the link we have left in the description of this video. You'll also find another link to visit our written tutorial. To search for products modified on a specific date, we must open the search tool. Take the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Then, select the Modified Date field. Choose the operator starts with. Now, enter the date using this format. And click on Run Search. If you don't remember the exact date on which you modified your products, you can easily find the products that were modified in a date range by using the search tool. Once the tool is open, check the Advanced Filters box. Select the Modified Date field. Then choose the greater than or equal to operator. Enter the start date here. Now add a new filter. Select the same field, Modified Date again. Now, the operator we will select will be the less than or equal to. Enter the end date here. And run the search to filter all products modified during the selected date range. The WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin simplifies your experience when managing thousands of products. You can save a lot of hours and clicks. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more.